Speed is a quality multiplier. Speed improves repeatability. When your inspection work holding locks parts in the same way every time, setups go smooth and programs run clean. Speed protects throughput. CMM inspection often sits on the critical path. When fixtures swap fast, parts move, bottlenecks break, and capacity increases without new machines. Speed sharpens decisions. Quick inspections deliver feedback sooner. You catch drift earlier, fix process issues before scrap piles up, and profits evaporate into thin air. Speed lowers total cost. Shorter setup times cut labor. Fewer mistakes cut rework. Uptime increases ROI. This is why CMM fixtures matter. Book a demo with a fixturing expert to discuss the speed you need.